Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to remove that powered by Shopify text from your store's footer? Here's how to do it quickly and easily. First of all, log into your Shopify dashboard, then go to online store, then themes, and find the theme you are using like that. Click on customize button or click the three dot button and choose from here like edit default theme content. In the search bar, type powered by Shopify. You will see a field labeled powered by Shopify like that under links. Delete the text from that field or replace it with your own custom message like built with love. Then click save. If you don't see that field, go back to the theme and click edit code. Open the section like footer dot liquid. Then use Ctrl F or Command F to search for the phrase powered by Shopify by link. Once you find it, simply delete that line of code and click save. Now go back to your store and refresh the page, scroll down, and you will see that the powered by Shopify text is gone. And that's it. Clean, clean footer, clean look. Hit like, subscribe, and comment if you want more Shopify customization tips. Thanks for watching.